Hey guys, today's vlog is brought to you by Dyhair777.com. The wig comes in this baggie. Well, not, in the mail, but in the package, it comes in this. I was very excited to try this wig because it reminds me of a wig called My First Wigs that's been going around, and I have been dreaming about getting that wig for like a while now, but the price, I just couldn't pay it. I just couldn't pay it. So I thought they had to be like a cheaper route, and if I'm correct, I believe this wig is way cheaper than what I saw My First Wigs. And the most you have to do that requires a lot of work, honestly, is just bleaching the knots. And I thinned out the hairline a little bit more just to make it look more natural. The hairline comes pre-plucked and it's not that bad, but behind that pre-pluckedness you could kind of see like a sharp hairline behind those baby hairs, so I didn't like that. But otherwise I did a pretty good job. I'm sad that I don't have any more elastic bands right now to put on this wig so this wig could lay like super flat. It's flat right now, and I know I could use Got to Be glue on the hairline to keep it down, but if y'all know me well, if y'all watch my videos a lot, I hate using Got to Be glue on lace and then blow drying it down, especially since I do a lot of wig reviews. I don't really got time for that, and I'm scared I might lose my edges and just all that stuff. And I must say, I'm like really impressed. The quality feels great. I didn't do much to the hair. After I let it air dry overnight, this is how it looked. I parted the hair. After I parted the hair, because the hair kind of have like that wave to it when it first come, it kind of just fell back in place. And then I put it on my mannequin head and I just let the hair dry overnight, and that's it. If you want the hair more flat, I suggest you do go in with some mousse, and mousse will like help it like lay really flat and sleek. But I'm just gonna keep it like this for right now. I don't really see an issue with it. It looks like really natural. Like, I really like it. I always wanted a style like this, and I'm just so happy like Dyhair was able to provide me with it. It's just really cute. The quality of the hair, and I'm not being nice because I love the wig, but the quality of the hair is very amazing. It feels like Brazilian hair. The hair is very soft. And let me not forget to mention this cap is glueless, so yeah. And it is virgin hair. I did bleach the knots. The knots took about 45 minutes to bleach, and I just love it so much. Oh yeah, one more thing. As for tangling, I got no tangling at all. As for shedding, when I was doing the hair, shedding was very minimum. The hair was shedding when I had the conditioner in it, but nothing too major where it's like I need my money back. So that's just my opinion on the hair. Let me know your thoughts, you guys, because I totally love it. I really do. It's just simple and cute. Let me know what you think, you guys. Thumbs up this video if you like it. If you dislike it, then dislike it. I don't know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.